Starting your day with the right beverage can significantly influence your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. Among various options, green tea stands out as a top choice for melting fat quickly, thanks to its scientifically backed properties. Green tea, a metabolism-boosting powerhouse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin galate, EGCG, which have been shown to increase metabolism and enhance fat oxidation. This combination can lead to more efficient calorie burning and fat loss. How green tea works. The caffeine in green tea provides a mild stimulant effect, further increasing calorie burn. Research suggests that the combination of EGCG and caffeine may help break down stored fat, particularly belly fat. Incorporating green tea into your morning routine. To maximize the benefits of green tea. Kickstart preparation. Brew a cup of green tea by steeping a tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Enhancements. For added flavor and benefits, consider adding a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. Timing. Drinking green tea in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and set a positive tone for the day. Additional morning beverages to support fat loss. While green tea is highly effective, other morning drinks can also aid in fat loss. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Drink. ACV contains acetic acid, which may reduce insulin levels and boost metabolism, leading to decreased fat storage. Dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water and consume it before meals. And ginger tea. Ginger has thermogenic properties that can increase body temperature, thereby enhancing calorie burning. It also aids digestion and suppresses appetite. To prepare, steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Lemon water. Starting your day with warm lemon water can aid digestion and detoxification, setting the stage for fat burning. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon water may also suppress appetite. Cinnamon water. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, which can prevent sugar cravings and keep hunger at bay. Additionally, cinnamon has been shown to boost metabolism and facilitate fat burning. Tips for effective use. Consistency. Incorporate these beverages into your daily morning routine to experience optimal benefits. Balanced diet. Combine these drinks with a healthy, balanced diet rich in whole foods to support overall weight loss. Hydration. Ensure adequate water intake throughout the day to support metabolism and overall health. By choosing the right morning drink, you can effectively boost your metabolism and support your weight loss journey. Green tea, in particular, offers a natural and enjoyable way to start your day while promoting fat burning.